Welcome back to 4 a.m. with baby and me. Why'd you wake up this time, huh? 4:23 a.m. currently, and I don't know why he woke up this time, but honestly, I never know. You seem like you're hungry. You want a bottle? Hold on, buddy. Let me set you down. Okay, hold on. Hold on, buddy. I said I was gonna make these next time he wakes up early, so we're making cinnamon rolls. Alright. Good milk, dude. You sure you don't want any? Can I cuddle with you in there? Okay. No? Okay. 4:51 a.m. I'm using one of his cups. Don't judge me. Ours are in the washer. Alright, 5:02 a.m. I'm going to eat a cinnamon roll and get episode 2 of the podcast up. The Dad Name Podcast, my new podcast. If you guys want to check it out, that would mean the world to me. Alright, it's 8:41 a.m. now. I was able to get him to go back to sleep for a couple hours.